Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to organize projects in Asana using timelines. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to organize projects in Asana with using timelines, you can simply create or open a project. In Asana, click new project or open an existing one. Then you can add tasks, like create tasks for all the major steps in your project. Example, brainstorm ideas, draft content, review and publish. Now after this, you can assign dates and owners. You can click on each task and add a start and end date. After this, you can organize with the sections or milestones. Use sections to group tasks, turn key tasks into milestones for big checkpoints. Now you can also map dependencies, adjust and visualize and share and track your progress in your Asana. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.